Welcome to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to show you how to change your vehicle on Uber Eats. Alright, so for whatever reason you need to change your vehicle, the first thing you need to do is open up the Uber Driver app and tap on the menu icon in the top corner. You can navigate to the accounts and then go and look for vehicles. Go and click on add a vehicle. This will begin the process. Provide complete information including the make, the model, the year, license plate number, as well as the color. Upload a clear, legible photo of your registration, of your insurance, and any required inspection documents. If you're updating an existing vehicle information, delete the previous vehicle from your account before adding the new details to avoid any conflicts. Uber's team reviews your submitted documents within 2 to 3 business days. You won't be able to go online for deliveries during this review period, so just keep that in mind. The last thing over here that you need to keep in mind is switching between different vehicle types, such as a bike to a car or a car to a scooter, will require a vehicle replacement request. You're going to have to submit both your old and new license plate numbers through the app. You'll get an approval typically, which arrives within 24 hours. It ensures proper delivery mode assignment and it updates your account for correct order routing.